you doing, Bubby? What are you doing? Are you stuck in a bag? What have you done to yourself?
Going.
You're on TV, Bubby. Why are you coming in here? What?
You don't know what I do. Are you funny? I'll have a little more of this.
Rhino, what's he doing? He thinks you're getting him some meat. Sir.
He's just not in there. He's like, screw it, I'm done.
Hey, Bubby.
Oh my God, look at this piece.
What are you doing? I bet you if I open this fridge, you'll come running.
Look at
Get in there. You want some mascara? You gotta give him a piece of meat and make him jump for it. In his sack.
that don't need there. Hold on. I did have.
Oh.
Hang on, big buggy. Hang on, I got some.
I thought you just bought some.
I did, I'll have to get it down.
You want some meat, Bubby? You know.
I'll find it. Here we go, Jess.
Uh-oh, Daddy's got you some lunch meat. Looky, looky. You hear him opening it? Is that lunch meat? You gotta make him do a show for you, Daddy. There you go. Now he gets to eat it out of a pile of Walmart sacks. Bubby.
There you go. Good job, buddy.
You got it. All right, this is Chester and his lunch meat. Signing off.